Alright, it's Friday, 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm out here, got some Razor parts. I'm installing some front and rear doors on the Can-Am. I looked and looked and looked on YouTube, and I could not see any videos. And so I am gonna get this bad boy, put some doors on her. So first step, they send you a bunch of these. You gotta screw them in. Use the Allen wrench. It's like 1, 2, 3 over here. 1, 2. Looks like a Craftsman 8mm is what's working. Just gotta put those in there. Anyways, that's the first step, and yeah, we'll see how she goes. Well, I got the doors finished. Took me a bit. I don't yet have the back done, but this morning I went to our shop and started working on it. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, there's some things that kind of are interesting, but my first impressions are they're pretty good. Nice and tight. Although there are spots there like that aren't all the way secured, but that's all right. One thing, this is pretty tight. I don't know what's going on with that. This whole thing kind of fluctuates, but this is pretty good. All you gotta really do is get those brackets on. Reading the Can-Am instructions is a pain in the butt. Then you gotta put one bracket back in there that sucks that back. On the front, you gotta put this on. And you put that, you gotta drill a little hole. And then you have to undo all these screw holes. I think there's one down there. And then this panel comes off, and you actually have to drill this hole and this hole in both sides to make it work. So you take the back off, take this off, and then you can put the bolt through and suck it tight. You gotta put a nut on the end. It's up there first, so it makes it, suck in nice. Just takes a little bit of pressure. And then you have to mount this. You gotta take those 2 screws out. Put that on, and this bar runs in. Put that, got some Velcro. Sucks it in nice. Also got the Can-Am hood or roof. Same thing on this side. Makes a pretty tight thing. This side looks really good. The roof comes on nicely. Kind of had to modify the windshield because one thing, there's a gap, and it's been super cold up here in Idaho. And so you really feel that breeze bad. So that was kind of cold. But put that on. The roof is actually pretty dang easy. Dang dog prints. But no, all in all, I'm really happy with this. I think it'll be a great time and a great way to be able to play and stay out of the elements of the weather. Do I think it's worth $1,200 for the windows? Not really. I really think you're getting raped on the price, but what do you do? I don't know if there's much else you can do except just suck it up and do it. So, one thing I still not a fan of is even after you get the machine to do this, to wrap it, I'm $2,000 into it. So, it'd be nice if they started making options to do a full cab, but still have that sportiness. But all in all, I'm happy with it. I can't complain. I'm super blessed to be able to have what I have. So it'll be fun to take the family out